welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Adaora and you are welcome to Adorable Kitchen. Okay, I want to film a recipe, but I want to film behind the scene of me filming a recipe. So you're basically going to see me watch all the things that go down behind the scene while I film my recipes. I'm going to show you the setup, the things I use. I don't even use anything sophisticated. I just use my phone and I use some lightning, which is just ring light and some other bulb. Nothing too serious, nothing complicated, nothing sophisticated. It's just so basic. So today I'm going to show you guys just the behind the scene of Shmechan. So today I'm going to show you guys just behind the scene. We just woke up. This is morning, okay? We've not even had our shower. So this is how it goes down. I've not even had my shower. This is me, okay? This is how I'm looking. I even look great today. Sometimes I look worse than this. But that's okay. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing. The first thing I do is to clean the kitchen. I usually clean like my stove, my sink, clean everywhere because that's the first thing, that's the primary thing. We don't want to film in a dirty space. So I'm going to start with that. After cleaning, then I'll come back and I'll show you the next step, which is putting on the lights and setting up my tripod and my camera and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please give it a thumbs up if you've not already done that. So this is 10:33 a.m. So we are going to know when I'll finish this filming, okay? It usually takes me a long time to do because sometimes I stop in between to attend to the kids, to give them a shower or even feed them or do some other things, okay? So it takes me longer than usual to film because I don't have anyone helping me. So now it is 10:33 a.m. I think I may even need to just settle them, maybe give them a shower because most times when they take their morning baths, they feel more relaxed. So maybe I'm just going to shower them, feed them again, then put the TV for them. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and please give it a thumbs up if you have not already done that. So guys, this is many hours later. Now it is 12:08. So I'm done with cleaning the kitchen. It's clean now. Next, I'm trying to set up the things I need to film. Like this is the blanched spinach that I use. So these are my filming glasswares. I just brought them out now. This is the pots I will use to film. This is the bell pepper and the onions I will use. So I'm going to transfer them into this so that they will look presentable. So that is what I'm doing in this next step. I'm ready to start filming. This is the board I use. I either use this side or this side. I like staying here facing this window because of the light that comes in from the window. Then I'm going to film with my phone. This is Samsung S22 Ultra. This is what I'm going to film with. I'm going to film in 8K, okay? So it's going to give us a very high quality. I'm filming right now with my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. But I'm going to film the recipe with my X22 Ultra. So this is the window I'm talking about. Light comes in from this window. Okay, this is another light that I use. I hang it here. Okay, and then it shines directly on whatever I'm filming. I use this for my phone. I film from two angles. I film from above and then from the side. So this is what I use to capture my above views. So it's like this. It has a clip. So I usually clip it here. I clip it here and I put my phone here. So it gives me the above view angle. I also have this tripod. I don't use it all the time because I already have enough lights. To be honest with you guys, I have enough lights from the window, this one here, this here, and the inbuilt light here. But sometimes I go the extra mile to plug in my ring lights, especially when the weather is not bright enough, okay, maybe on rainy days. But today, just for the purpose of showing you guys, I'm just going to use all the lights I have. So this is the ring light. I'm going to plug it on this side. Sometimes I bend this ring light so you can focus on my food or whatever I'm filming. I usually bend it like this and keep it somewhere like this. So this is it about the lighting that I use. So I have 3 lights here. I have this 3 lights here. I have this ring light. I have this light here above the window. Then I have this one that I put. And then my kitchen has a very good lighting as well. I have like all this lights here. You see it? So I have like a good lighting for my videos. So now that I've set up my board and the lights and my stand, this is the tripod I used to capture from the side. And as I've said earlier, this is the one that I used to capture from above. Like it will be like this, right? Okay. So now I'm going to start introducing all my ingredients. I don't even talk while I'm filming my videos. I usually do voiceovers. This is what goes on behind the scenes. You can hear all the noise. So imagine me trying to talk through the video while filming. It's not even impossible. So that's why I just like film, and then when I'm editing, I just take out the sound. When everywhere is calm, I do my voiceovers. So as I was trying to explain, I'm going to like move the pressure cooker to one side while it continues cooking. Then I'm going to film the bell pepper part. That's the part where I will blend the bell peppers. So guys, this is like it. Okay, at least you guys have seen the setup, the lighting, the board, the platform I use to film, and the angles I capture from above and by the side. So from now on, it is going to be like me repeating the same thing, like me playing, pausing it to do something, then playing it again to film, and then pausing it in between, tending to the kids and doing everything, just basically running around here in the kitchen. So there's no need like filming that part. So I'm just saying that you guys should like my videos, subscribe and share. It's not easy. Support me, okay? Support me. I'll be back in a little bit. Let me focus on my cooking. So guys, this is the main pot that I want to use to make the soup. As you can see, I'm still filming. So now I'm going to start adding in my oil and my bell pepper. Guys, whenever I'm filming, especially when I'm cooking, steam tends to fog my lens and make it difficult for you guys to see what I'm filming. So at this point, I usually start filming from the side, which is what I'm doing right now. So yes, this is me filming from the side now, so that the steam won't fog and cover my lens. I'm done filming. It's so good. So guys, now I'm done filming the recipe. The next step is to take my thumbnail picture, which is another important step, right? I need to get a very good picture. Sometimes, like if I'm not getting a good picture from the kitchen, I usually take it outside to get a very nice and clear, eye-catching thumbnail. But let me try today and see if I can get a clean picture from here. Guys, this soup tastes so good. I'm not even saying that because I'm the one that cooked it. It is so delicious. Like, I hope you try it out. Watch out for the recipe and try it out. You'll be amazed. It tastes so good. I can't even wait to make my fufu and dive in. I've not eaten anything since morning. It's 2:49 p.m. I've not had anything to eat for today. So once I'm done with this, I'm just going to make myself fufu and enjoy my vegetable soup. I'm trying to make this look clean before I start taking my pictures. I don't like the pictures that you got. It's like I'll take it outside and try to get a better picture. I'm not liking what I'm getting from here. I'll take the food outside and try to capture a better thumbnail. So guys, this is it. This is just the end of this video. I don't know if you guys can see my face. So this is the end of it. I'll just like get a good thumbnail and then clean the kitchen and enjoy the food. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. And now it is 2:55 p.m. 2:55 p.m. so just calculate how long it took me to film. Anyway guys, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.